Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of Dubro 101. Today's topic is for those of you who are fans of RC cars and trucks. We're going to talk about the plastic bodies that are found on these machines. The bodies found on most RC cars and trucks are made out of polycarbonate plastic that has been vacuum formed into shape. Some bodies, such as this one, come from the factory pre-painted. Others come in clear plastic that you have to paint yourself. Either way, the paint is applied to the inside of the body, so the plastic itself acts as a tough and shiny clear coat that protects the finish. When working with RC car bodies, it's very helpful to have a few specialized tools. Dubro offers a set that includes 2 pairs of scissors that are specially designed for cutting polycarbonate. One pair of scissors is great for straight cuts, while the other is intended for making curved cuts. Those of you who fly RC airplanes and helicopters should also take note, because these scissors are great for working with vacuum-formed canopies and cowlings. The final tool in the Dubro set is a tapered reamer, and this tool is perfect for making clean and accurate holes in the plastic. Bodies are held to the chassis with small metal pins called body clips. These clips work well and they're easy to use, but they're also very magical. What makes them magical is their ability to disappear. It seems that all you have to do is set one down on your workbench, or your pit space at the track, or the sidewalk at the park, or wherever you happen to be with your RC car, and poof, they disappear in an instant. One way to oppose this black magic and avoid losing all of your body clips is to install Dubro's Body Klip Retainer. This is basically a tether that keeps your body clips attached to the body even when they're not being used. Installing the Body Klip Retainer is super easy. Let me show you how to do it. The first step is to drill 2 holes in the body. One hole will go near the front body clips, the other in the rear. This hole should be 5/32 of an inch in diameter. I prefer to use the body reamer for this job, and when doing that, I find it helpful to measure where the reamer is 5/32 of an inch wide and mark it with tape. This prevents me from drilling too deeply and making the hole too large. You can also use a sharp 5/32 drill bit for this job, and when using that method, I find it helpful to place a block of scrap wood on the back side of the body when drilling the hole. The next step is to install the center post from each of the retainers into the holes. My technique for doing this is to place the bottom lip of the center post next to the hole, and I then work the post into the hole using a blunt metal rod. I found that the back end of a 256 push rod works great for this job. Just make sure that you're not using anything that's sharp and could cut or otherwise damage the post. This is one of those tasks that's a little bit tricky at first as you figure out the technique, but your second installation should be a breeze. Now that both body clip retainers are in place, the only thing left to do is install the body clips themselves. The package includes 2 sets of body clips in different sizes. You can select one of those or choose the body clips that you had in place before. When shopping for the body clip retainers, you'll see that they come in many different colors. You can go with something subdued like we have here, or you can choose something a little bit brighter and flashier. Well, that's all for today. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.